Welcome to our channel, Goo Goo Gaga Kids.
A for apple, shiny and red. Run. B for ball that bounces ahead. Gallows. C for cat, saying meow meow meow. Run. D for doll, taking a bow down. E for open, big and tall dollar. F for fish, swimming by the wall. G for grapes in a bunch so sweet. H for horse with dancing feet reach. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for juice in my tummy. And K for kite, flying up so high. L for lion, giving a roar nearby. M for monkey, swinging in trees. N for nest, buzzing with bees. Red O for orange, juicy and round. K for kite with a funny sound. Q for queen, wearing a crown. And R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining bright. T for tiger with stripes so light. And U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, driving down the lane. V for wheel, splashing in the season. X for sign, I can play. Want me? Y for yak with furry hair. Z for zebra with stripes to wear. Giant with furry hair.
The animal's name below. Dolphin. Can you guess the animal's name below? Starfish. Can you guess the animal's name below? Jellyfish. Can you guess the animal's name below? Shark. Can you guess the animal's name below? Octopus. Can you guess the animal's name below? Sea turtle. Can you guess the animal's name below? Crab. Can you guess the animal's name below? Seahorse. Can you guess the animal's name below? Beluga whales. Can you guess the animal's name below? Sea lion. Can you guess the animal's name below? Swordfish. Can you guess the animal's name below? Squid. Can you guess the animal's name below? Pufferfish. Can you guess the animal's name below? Clownfish. Can you guess the animal's name below? Blue tang. Can you guess the animal's name below? Lobster. Can you guess the animal's name below? you guess the animal's name below? Manta ray. Can you guess the animal's name below? Sea otter. Can you guess the animal's name below? Tiger seal. Can you guess the animal's name below? Whale shark. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel.